Come on in, y'all. If you love good old-fashioned Southern comfort food, you're gonna love this smothered chicken and potatoes dish. I'll cook the one skillet, and you know I'll show you how to put it all together. Y'all know what this is. Take off. Here we go, y'all. Let's go ahead and get started. Go with the ingredients. I'll be using some chicken thighs, onions, bell peppers, and some garlic. Flour and butter. We'll be needing some chicken broth, and we have our potatoes. And I have a full list of all the ingredients down below in the description box. Let's make it. First thing, we're gonna go ahead and add in a touch of oil to our skillet. Gonna let that preheat while we season up our chicken. Be sure to pat that chicken dry and then add on a touch of oil. Always remember to season to your taste. I'm going in with some garlic powder, some onion powder, some rotisserie chicken seasoning, and some Montreal chicken seasoning also. And some paprika, y'all. And now we just need to come in and you want to give everything a good mix. And make sure you're getting that seasoning up under the skin also. Now once you have your chicken nice and seasoned and your skillet is hot, we're going to go ahead and lay our chicken skin side down. You want to hear that sizzle. We're not cooking the chicken all the way through. So we just want to let this cook, get a nice hard sear on it, and let it cook for a good 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, we just come in and give it a flip. We're going to let it cook another 2 to 3 minutes before we remove it. Now after about 2 minutes, you can go ahead and remove your chicken. Look at all that deliciousness. That's going to help create this gravy. Going in with my onions and bell peppers and my potatoes. Seasoning that potato, I'm using a no salt, like an herb seasoning. Just a touch of salt and some black pepper. Now we're just going to come in and give everything a good mix. And we're going to let this cook down for about 8 minutes. Those potatoes are going to absorb all of that flavor at the bottom. So be sure to scrape as you go. I'm using Yukon Gold potatoes that I cut in half. The bigger ones I quarter. Whatever potatoes that you choose to use, make sure you cut them similar in size. That way everything will cook evenly. Now we can go ahead and add in our garlic. We're going to mix this in and let this go for about 30 seconds or so. You already know you'll start to smell it. Going to push some of the potatoes aside and add in some butter. Gonna get this melted. Gonna add in our flour. We're gonna work this in for about 2 to 3 minutes. Cook out that raw flour taste. And also as the flour cooks out, it'll start to brown up, so you'll have a nice brown gravy. And don't worry if some of your potatoes and veggies start to mix in, it'll all work out. Now we just add in our chicken broth. We're going to go ahead and give this a mix. Be sure to scrape the bottom. The gravy will start to thicken for you once it comes to a boil. So now we just need to add back in the chicken. You want to make sure you place your potatoes down into the gravy. And the accumulated juices, we want those. Add it in. Nothing but flavor. Now all that's left to do, we need to go ahead and pop a lid on. We're going to let this come up to a boil and then turn it down to a simmer and cook another 25-30 minutes, or just until your potatoes are fork tender and your chicken thighs reach 165. And I'll come back and show y'all what it's looking like. And here it is, y'all. Everything is ready. It smells amazing. Go ahead and taste and adjust any seasonings. And that's it, and that's all it is to it, y'all. Smothered chicken and potatoes. It's simple, it's comforting, and it's absolutely delicious. I hope y'all give this recipe a try. And as always, thank y'all for watching. Subscribe for the deliciousness. Thumbs up the video. Leave your girl a comment. Hype up the video. Happy Sunday. And y'all know the vibes. Be blessed.